Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to make Cure Auto Insurance online payment. We will also put links in the description below for various low-cost auto insurance options. To start, open the website cure.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your username or email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Make a Payment. Click on Make a Payment. First, review the payment amount. If you wish to make changes, click on the Edit button beside it. Next, select a payment method. If you haven't linked a payment method, click on Add New Payment Method. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Or you could also check the tutorial video on how to make a payment method in our channel. Once your payment method has been added, select it. Then click on Proceed. Lastly, review the payment details. If everything looks good, click on the Pay button. That's how you make Cure Auto Insurance online payment. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.